Welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a shop with me at Liz Marie Galvin's The Found Cottage. So this is a really cute store in, I think it's George Township, Michigan. Well, my family and I actually stayed in South Haven, Michigan, and then on one of the rainy days we drove up to her store to check it out. And I got so much inspiration from just looking at her setups and how she arranged the decor and all the different vendors in there, how they arranged their items. So I hope that you guys find some inspiration while watching, and definitely stay tuned till the end, and I'm going to show you a few items I picked up and how I decorated them in my home. But without further ado, let's jump into the shop with me.
While the spring's still here, they don't make haste cause they know what's coming. We try to wash away our broken years, but it's so hard in the cold summer. They're slowing down to get their sleep. They've had enough bringing life to others. But I still don't know what else to seek but your smile in the morning hours. I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back, while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow. Yeah, now I know enough to get by. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow. Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore? Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow.
Okay, so the first item I picked up is this scale. I've been looking for an antique scale forever that wasn't too overpriced, and all the scales that I've been seeing are $200 or more. And she actually had one in her store that was beautiful that was $200, but this one was only $45, and I will probably be rearranging it and putting it in different spots throughout my kitchen area, but for now I have it right here on my pantry shelf. So next I picked up this Conversions tea towel, and I decided to place it on this board. I actually found this downtown in Michigan, but I thought I would show you guys. I also found these 3 hooks when I was downtown in Michigan as well. This faux plant is from Liz's store. I love how it has the faux roots and dirt on it. How cute is it? And I decided to just hang it in this tote to show parts of the faux plant and the root. It looks like it was freshly picked and placed in this tote, which I think is so adorable. I also picked up this adorable brush, and it was only $6. It looks really nice just set up here on my kitchen shelf. And then I also picked up one of the round brushes as well. These look really nice and they're very functional as well. I also picked up this planter bag, so it says "Keep Blooming Beautiful One," and I just think it's so pretty and nice. It's actually lined so you could put a real plant inside, but inside I put this faux plant that I picked up from Liz's store as well. I also picked up this little stem plant. It's so cute. I think it's an olive tree maybe, but I just thought it was so pretty. I like how dainty the stem is. It comes in a little gray pot, and I just place it inside of my aged terracotta pot here. I love this shelf. It's definitely inspired by Liz, and that's her sign in the middle there that I ordered from her online shop last year, I believe. I picked up another faux plant from her store. This one here, I think it's so pretty, but this one I just placed on our living room shelf. Okay, so that is everything for the shop with me and the items I picked up. I hope that you guys found some inspiration while watching today's video. If you did, please hit the like button, and please consider subscribing if you aren't already, so you never miss out on any decorating content from me in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow.